welcome to my first video. I am super excited to be sharing this with you guys. I'm going to be showing y'all everything about my life. I'm a very interesting person. I love doing random stuff. So I just moved back from San Antonio a couple months ago, and when I moved back, I had like stuff everywhere. I was definitely not about to unpack because I was going to basic training soon. That's going to be a story time for you guys because it was an experience. But anyways, I didn't unpack until I got back, and I got back in November. So I definitely had a lot of like junk everywhere. So I threw a lot of stuff out. And yeah, so this is basically going to be a decluttering / remodeling video. I got new carpet. I bought new decorations. You'll see how my room just transforms and how I picked up everything off the floor. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna start off with what I got from Hobby Lobby. Mind y'all, I got a lot of useless things. So I got this, and I'm keeping this. I got 2 of them. They were both $11.99. Kind of pricey, but you know, it's okay. I got these 2 plants, flowers, whatever you want to call them. I don't know, I got them and they were $3.99 each. And I got this as well. It's the decorative filler sand. And I already filled up the container that I'm gonna put it in. It's in here. So we're gonna see how that works. It might look a little tacky, but we're gonna make something work. So y'all, I'm trying to get back into reading. It's been a minute since I've read. I've been reading Becoming. That's actually a good book. But anyways, we're gonna talk about that another time. So I got this one. It's the founder of Hobby Lobby, More Than a Hobby. So we're gonna see how that goes, and y'all are gonna see how I set up my room and everything. I got this board. This is what I'm excited for. So I'm gonna put this like on the wall like that, and then that's when I'm gonna put like my candles and all of that stuff on it. I got some push pins. I don't know if y'all can see it. So I needed some new ones. The ones I had, they were from the dollar store and they were pretty ugly. And then, honestly, I might return this because I think this is low-key pointless. It's the stuff they use to cut the flowers. I'm probably just going to use scissors and call it a day. I'm going to return this one. I loved it. I thought it was, like, going to be super cute. The only thing is, it's like, for what, bro? Why are you spending money? So, I got this. So it's supposed to basically be like, this is too cute, y'all. It is too cute. Ugh. Should I keep it? We're gonna see, I don't know yet. So anyways, I got all of that. I spent a good amount at Hobby Lobby, a good amount. I'm not gonna disclose that information, but I spent a good amount. Okay, let's move on to Ross, cause I'm trying to change my bed setting. So the bedding that I had before was like for a different room, and my room, as you can see, is yellow, so I can't use black and white. So I got these pillows. This is so cute. I think this is gonna go with like the aesthetic of my room. I got this blanket. I think this is gonna be amazing. Like, I'm sleeping with this every night. And I got this from Ross. It's a cute color. So we're gonna see how everything goes, you know, to me. So I don't know if y'all can see this. Well, y'all can see it. But anyways, I've had this since I was like six. I've had this for a long time. But anyways, you know, we were very destructive as kids, so that's why it's gone. So I bought these new like little handle thingies from Home Depot. So yeah, I'm about to put them on. I was low-key gonna paint this, like make it like a brown, but I'm lazy because I have to take this downstairs, sand it, and then paint it. I don't have time for that. So if I change my mind, I'll do a little tutorial for y'all, but it's staying like this.
I ain't even done nothing yet.
I have. I put that up. And I put the plant. And then now I'm doing this. And then I made my bed.
I didn't even know this was I go got TV.
Y'all, I'm tired. The other board didn't work. It was like hanging, like it was like on the wall, but it was about to fall. So I was like, it's okay. And I probably would have had to find someone to fix it for me anyways. And my patience isn't there. So I got another board. It's pretty small. Like the fact that I can hold it with one hand with ease. That tells you how light it is. The other one was like an actual like heavy ass board. And y'all peep my plant in the back. But yeah, I'll keep y'all updated with how this process goes. As y'all can see, look at the hole that I put in the wall. So, I'm gonna try again. Well, my shelf is going on the wall. too. So I put this board back. It has no choice but to stay up. It has no choice because I didn't put all those holes in the wall for no reason. So it's gonna stay up. So we're gonna hope. We're gonna hope for the best and see. But honestly, at this point, I might just give up. Thank y'all for watching my video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm gonna have so much more content to come. If there's anything you guys would like to see from me, let me know in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram at Victoria Imade, IMADE. Also, like, comment, subscribe, and definitely share this with whoever. Like, this is a video that everyone needs to see. So yeah, like I said, more to come. So yeah, y'all be on the lookout.